Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add items to your shopping cart if you would like to place an order on the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should select that product that you would like to purchase. So click on it, scroll down, and first you need to choose your size by clicking on this choose size icon and select your size. Then press the button add to bag. Now this item has been placed into your shopping cart. You can go to that section by clicking on the shopping basket icon down below. That's the fourth option. Here at this page you can see the items that you have added to this bag. If you want to proceed with with the process of placing the order, click on the checkout option, and then you will need to complete these forms such as your delivery address, then select the kind of payment, then you should confirm your order, and basically that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.